This is a run through of the individual site certification for people coming on site. So this is something that your employees would fill in daily. So we select that in the title. You can decide as a business what you want the titles. I'll just use a name. We will pick the department that the person is going to be working on. You could also select a branch if you have multiple branches. And then we will select the reviewer, who is going to be the employee who's going to be at work. And then we can fill in the forms, and we start with the site declaration, asking who we're working with. In this case, we're going to be working alone. If you're working with other employees, you could add a note of their names into the system as well. And then I'm going to fill in the health declaration, where I'm going to declare that I'm not showing signs of COVID-19. So I can sign off yes and submit that. And it's